Today we're doing an easy armor installation by Armor Concepts. Now the first thing you have to do is take out the kick bolt latch strike plate here and the latch bolt strike plate here. So what we have here is the Easy Armor door jab shield. And what we're going to do, so we're going to put that in and line it up because that's where it's going to be. And that's for our latch. And we're going to mark it with a pencil so we know. Drill. You want to make sure you hold your drill level so that so now that we know the door is true, we're going to install the shield. We already have our pre-drilled holes. Let's just get this one in there to get it caught. Get the door shield installation here, and we're going to put it over here, and we're going to mark it. And you want to get that nice and centered as well. And remember, it's a self-tapping screw, so now we're going to do the same thing with the doorknob. So what I have here is the Easy Armor hinge shield, and there's two of them. You put one on the top and one on the bottom. You put it in place, we're going to mark it, we're going to drill some pilot holes, and we're going to mark it. We're going to unscrew these. There we go. So now the plate's ready to go on the wall. Go on the jam. Now we're going to do the same thing on the top. So that completes our door installation. The jab is in, and now we can just check the door and make sure that it's true and see if the locks work, and we're done. It's that easy.